Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an affiliate website with WordPress, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by choosing a niche for your affiliate website. Pick a specific topic that interests you and has a potential audience. Research affiliate programs related to your niche. Look for reputable affiliate networks, such as Amazon Associates or ShareASale. Register for an account with the affiliate programs you choose. Next, purchase a domain name that reflects your niche. Use a domain registrar like Namecheap or GoDaddy to secure your domain. Once you have your domain, select a reliable web hosting provider. Consider options like Bluehost, SiteGround, or HostGator for hosting. After selecting a host, install WordPress on your domain. Most hosting providers offer a one-click WordPress installation feature. Once WordPress is installed, access your website dashboard. Choose a clean and responsive theme for your site. Navigate to Appearance and select Themes. Search for free themes or upload a premium one. Install and activate the theme you prefer. Next, customize your site by going to Appearance and then Customize. Modify your site's title, tagline, and colors to match your brand. Add essential plugins to enhance your website's functionality. Install plugins like Yoast SEO for optimization and Pretty Links for link management. Create main pages such as Home, About, and Contact. Navigate to pages and select Add New to create each one. Start adding quality content relevant to your niche. Research keywords and write blog posts focused on these terms. Incorporate affiliate links within your content naturally. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to maintain transparency. Optimize your content for search engines using SEO best practices. Use headings, meta tags, and proper keyword placement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.